This is the Einstein Field Equation, one of the most important equations in modern physics. It is the mathematical foundation of Einstein's general theory of relativity and describes how gravity works. Physicist John Wheeler summarized its meaning in one famous sentence: "Spacetime tells matter how to move, and matter tells spacetime how to curve." This single sentence captures the entire idea behind the equation. Let's understand it piece by piece. The left-hand side of the equation represents the geometry of spacetime. The first term is the Ricci tensor. It measures how spacetime is curved by the presence of matter and energy. The second term contains the Ricci scalar. It is obtained by contracting the Ricci tensor and represents the overall amount of curvature at a point in spacetime. The metric tensor defines the geometry of spacetime itself. It tells us how to measure distances, angles, and time intervals in a curved universe. The first two terms together form the Einstein tensor, which provides a complete mathematical description of spacetime curvature while satisfying the conservation laws required by physics. The next term is the cosmological constant. It represents the energy associated with empty space, or vacuum energy. A positive value of the cosmological constant causes the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Now let's move to the right-hand side. The stress energy tensor describes everything that acts as a source of gravity. It includes mass, energy, momentum, pressure, and internal stresses. In general relativity, not only mass, but every form of energy contributes to the curvature of spacetime. The factor is called the Einstein gravitational constant, or the Einstein coupling constant. Here, G is Newton's gravitational constant, and c is the speed of light. This constant determines how strongly matter and energy influence the curvature of spacetime. So, the Einstein Field Equation tells us something profound. The left-hand side describes how spacetime is curved, while the right-hand side describes what is causing that curvature. In other words, the geometry of spacetime is determined by the matter and energy it contains. This elegant equation, introduced more than a century ago, still remains one of the most beautiful and successful equations ever discovered.